Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to turn off and on auto rotate on any iPhone. So how to turn on and off auto rotate on any iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue when auto rotate is turned on and off? So you have open the any app. So you have, I will open the photo, then you have click on any photos on your iPhone. So then you have his auto rotate is working on your iPhone. Then you have open the control center, then you have click on uh, portrait orientation lock is on. So then you have open the is auto rotate is not working on your iPhone, is turned on. And then you have turn off, and then he's not lock orientation. So then auto rotate is working on your iPhone. So and second problem, Apple users facing auto rotate is not working. So for only one solution fix this issue. You have auto rotate not working on your iPhone. So then you have restart your iPhone, press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then auto rotate is 100% working on your iPhone, and uh, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.